Today we're going to be injecting Sculptra on you, and what Sculptra is good for is when as we age, we start to have lipoatrophy, so areas that we lose fat. So a common area is here in the temples. It's an area that people usually, their eye doesn't gravitate to right away, but by putting a little Sculptra in here, we get a little lifting here and lifting through the mid-face. It also can be used to give definition for a jawline or to fill in here where we can become a little hollow and lose our fat there also. So today we're going to go ahead and do Sculptra in your temples. I'm going to inject you with a little bit of lidocaine to numb you up, and then we'll go ahead and do the procedure. It will take maybe 15-20 minutes. You do have some post-Sculptra instructions, and what I'd like you to do when we're done is to massage this area. So we tell our patients 5 times a day for 5 minutes for 5 days. And I'll do your first one today so you'll know what to do throughout the day. Sometimes you can be a little tender in here, and that's all perfectly normal, maybe for a day or two, but you can go ahead just to stop any of your activities. You can go ahead and work out if you want to, go back to work, a little makeup on there. Usually people don't bruise from this, so that's it. Cleanse the area, and numb the area with a little bit of lidocaine where I'll be injecting. And this procedure is not very uncomfortable.
Piece of cake.
Piece of cake. And then we'll numb her over here. Just numb, and we'll go ahead and inject the temple area here with Sculptra. Say most people need to have this done every year to year and a half. Some people can go as long as 2 years before needing another treatment. So the aftercare will be massaging 5 times a day for 5 minutes for 5 days. And over the next 4 to 6 weeks, the product starts to stimulate collagen, and that's what gives her the volume in her temples. So we'll see the patients back in the office 4 to 6 weeks after a treatment. We'll take pictures, and then we'll assess to see if another treatment is needed, and if not, generally most people will go about a year to year and a half before they'll need to have this done again.